I bought this 2004 Honda CRF250R from Facebook Marketplace to your store. This is the final product, but originally when I bought it, it came with no chain and did not shift gears. It also came with a box of parts, so I started by taking apart the engine to find the damage. The previous owner took the engine apart and put it back together wrong, so this is me taking an engine apart to find the damage. And it was with the shifter system, so I fixed it and rebuilt the engine with bearings, gaskets, and seals. The engine is in parts over here. So I got all the rebuild kit gaskets and hand grips, chain, all of that. So I'm going to be putting it back together. I just got this aluminum brightener, and so now I'm going to clean the frame with it, see how much of a difference it makes, and then put on all the aftermarket parts, clean everything, and then start putting on the engine that's back here. I just took it out for a test drive, idles, runs through all the gears perfectly. So now I'm going to put the rest of this on and then take it out for a ride, clean it up. I already used the aluminum brightener on this. There are a couple spots I need to go back and hit. And I'll clean the rest off and put the graphics kit on. I'm having trouble pulling this sticker off, so I'm going to work on that, search up some ideas on the internet, get those off, and I got some brand new graphics right here. Here they are. I just put the last graphics on the front and then bolted the plastics on. The bike looks great. This CRF250R was just a broken bike with a bunch of parts from Facebook I bought, and now we have tons of aftermarket parts. The bike runs great, it starts first kick, and this is a nice race bike to have.